welcome back. This is the tech guy, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So today we'll be talking about how to create a free website or how to create a free blog using Google Blogger. Yeah. So all that you have to do is you just need a Google account. Yeah, you just need a Google account. Kindly use a Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Yeah, that's the best browser you can use in viewing this website. So you either use Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. So I'm using Timecodes right now, so let's get key in blogger.com and let's go to the website. Okay, blogger.com, yeah. Then this is the homepage of blogger.com, yeah. Blogger.com, yeah. So get a free domain, yeah. So Blogger gives you a blog for free, yeah. Then you can, if you have money, you can also buy your own custom domains, yeah. So I'm just showing you guys how to get a free domain in here. So all that you have to do now, so let's sign in. Let's go to create blog. Yeah, let's go to create blog. Then you sign in with your Google account. So let me choose my account, the account that I want to sign in with. Okay, so you like it is in. Choose the name of your blog. Yeah, choose the name of your blog. So let's say after watching your previous video, you made your mind just to create a blog about, let's say, children's health. So let's say the title of my blog is Case Health. Okay, Case Health. Then you will click on next. Then the address. Okay, your address. Since this we are getting a free domain, blogspot.com will be added to the domain. So let's say case health.blogspot.com. Case health. Okay, let's say case health.blogspot. Okay. No, so it's not available. So meaning we have to choose another one. So let's make it the K health. Okay, so you realize this is available, so you just have to click next. So our domain will be the khealth.blogspot.com, so you just have to click next. Okay, and display name, yeah. So our display name will be also welcome to the Case Health. Okay, Case Health Center. Come to the Case Health block. Okay, so now let's click finish. Okay, so let's wait as everything is processed. So you realize it has been already done. Our website is now created. Yeah, so let's enter in the address. What was our address? So let's go check out what our address was. So let's go to view blog. So you realize there is nothing in here. So our website has been created. Yeah. So that's the Case Health. It has been created. So I'll be coming up with a new video how to change your appearance, settings, and everything. Yeah. Okay. So watch out for the next video.